In my opinion, I enjoyed the best was Bled Lake. It's not only because I was on the island that I saw the great view from the mountain over the lake, but I also tried to swim there for 2 times. Definitely Latvia. Maybe that's because I'm more used to the dark bread, as you see in the video. It's not like the white bread. It's done completely different, and it has not very fine this grain when they're making the bread. And also the other things is that I haven't explored so many things, so I could say that they're better or not. But I've also tried good things, and all the good things I get here is when you go somewhere with Slovenes. If you go somewhere with other international students, they also don't know where to search it. My favorite was Kranjska Klobasa. The thing that I like in Slovenia, but we don't have in Latvia, are definitely the mountains. I think the Slovenians are taking things easier, Latvians are sometimes not. Yes, I really like Ljubljana, and I find very unique this architecture, especially the one which was made after the earthquake in the end of the 19th century. And also, the another thing I've never seen in any place is the hill, is the Ljubljana Grad. It's something completely special, and I've been already several times there. Because also the view you can see from the Ljubljana Grad is remarkable. Like you're looking at the whole town, at the same time you're in the capital on that huge hill. Slovenian language, in my opinion, is not hard to learn, but I think this is because of my background, as I speak Russian also. And actually, the one thing I must say is that grammatics in Latvian and Slovenian, they're almost the same. Yes, I learned also Slovene language. I've been learning this for 4 months, but to be true, I just had intensive course for 3 weeks, and then later I started to speak with my friends, with people on the street, with people in the bars, restaurants, everywhere. So you take your practice daily. Yes, I know Goran Dragic from NBA, and I also know Anđelko Kopitar from NHL. I think then this is a good question, but I'm not really able to answer it, because the only impressions of Dramlje and this school have been in this classroom, so I haven't been anywhere else. Just see that this is a nice place, it's quiet.